just wanted to let you know so when you woke up and you weren't freaked out, we shoveled the drive for you. So,
Thank you so much.
yes, and one of your neighbors actually ended up coming out. She said her mom's pretty good friends with you. Next time it snows, I think they're going to come over and check and see if you had anyone lined up to do it. And if not, they'll do it, okay?
You're so sweet.
Thank you. We're happy to help, so. And then I did get that report in, so it should be typed and getting sent to detectives pretty soon, okay?
I don't know what else. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything, so.
You're just something else.
Well, we're happy to help out, so.
Give
All right.
me a hug.
Oh, of course. All right, well, you have a good rest of your day, all
You
right?
too. You've been here twice. Come here. Now, thank you so much.
Of course.
You're welcome, ma'am.
You have to have a hug too.
Okay.
Don't let him hurt you. He's a big guy.
Yeah, I was a heavy hitter for this, so.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day, okay? Thanks.